Hey, what's going on, guys? Taylor Epperson, the editor and director of Automotive Weekly here, and I got a little bit of news for you guys. So we are going to be taking a small break over the holidays here, and basically we're just going to, we still got episodes being filmed, but we are not going to be taking the time to edit and do stuff like that, so that way we can sit and breathe for a few minutes and really focus on getting you guys some really high quality content. That being said, we've gone so far in the past year, over 200 subscribers from nothing and several, like almost 20,000 views, which is absolutely incredible. So thank you guys so much for being a part of this journey. That being said, let's take a look at what's gone on in the past year, and we'll see you next year.
Hoping for your voice on the telephone. I know it's a supercut as you walk away. Playing in my mind all the things I never close my eyes, and the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can do it all again, and I'll never let you go. Sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone. I know it's a supercut as you walk away. Playing in my mind all the things I never close my eyes, and the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can't do it all again, and I'll never
and welcome to the very first episode of Automotive Weekly. I'm Taylor.
I'm Randy.
And I'm Josh.